Hello and welcome to HWM Aston Martin. My name is Grace and I have the pleasure of showing you around this beautiful 22 model year Vantage V8 Coupe finished in satin jet black. So I'm just going to point out some of the fantastic details and options that are available with this particular Vantage. So let's start with these 2022 model year wheels. These are 21 inches, which are new to the Vantage range. So the main feature, if you will, of this particular Vantage is its gorgeous satin jet black paint. Now the reason that it stands out so well and it looks really menacing is because it has such great contrast to some of the other options available on the car. So for example, we've got a carbon fibre exterior body pack, and we've also got a gloss black lower body pack, and it just looks fantastic against each other and on this particular car. So the interior of this car is just as special as the exterior. So let's start with the sports wheel. We have Alcantara finish, which is a really cool finish. We also have carbon fibre on the trim inlay and in the centre console. So the main stand out of the interior here is the stunning Californian poppy leather. So originally you could only have black Alcantara with black leather, but here you can see we have a stunning colour which really contrasts well with the black Alcantara. And that actually makes this interior a key feature of the car. So thank you for joining us, having a look around some of the main features of this particular Vantage. If you'd like to know more about the overall spec, then please do get in contact with us either via our website or via email, or if you could call us on 01932 240 611. Please remember to like and subscribe. Thank you very much for watching.